When I first started learning to edit years ago, I did what a lot of beginners tend to do. I'd sit through these long-ass tutorials trying to learn everything about the software and all these different editing tricks, but then I'd open up the editing software and almost immediately forget half of what I just watched. And as you may be aware from experiencing it yourself, it was frustrating, to say the least. So when I eventually moved over to Final Cut Pro a few years ago, I did something completely different. Instead of trying to learn everything, I only learnt the tools I needed to get a simple edit finished. That was it. I wasn't interested in mastering every single feature that Final Cut Pro had to offer. I just wanted to put a video together very quickly without wasting time, but doing a decent enough job. As my videos became more complex, only then did I start adding more skills and more tools along the way. But I started with the absolute essentials first so that I didn't overload myself. Take this video for example. For a complete beginner, and me back then, a video like this could easily take hours to edit. But once you know the handful of tools that actually matter, and only those that you'll use for every edit, you can put something like this together in less than an hour. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in my very interactive, beginner-friendly editing essentials workshop in Final Cut Pro, which takes place on Tuesday the 18th of August at 8 p.m. British summertime. We're going to strip Final Cut Pro back to only the essentials so that you can actually complete a simple edit without wasting hours fumbling around trying to figure everything out on the go. And this isn't going to be me talking at you for an hour, this is going to be extremely interactive. You can stop me and ask questions throughout, edit along with your own clips if you really want to, and we'll finish with a dedicated Q&A so nothing gets left unanswered. One of the biggest things that stops people from making the damn video is editing. And so the goal is that after this workshop, editing will be one less obstacle that gets in your way. So, if you would like to join us, I've dropped a link in the description, pinned comment, or you can scan the QR code on the screen, and I will see you on Tuesday the 18th of August.